give the prime weld cut 60 another chance. There's a internet video out there that shows this torch cutting through 1/4 inch and then half and then 3/4 inch, 3 pieces stacked on each other like such for 3/4 of an inch. Brand new tip, brand new everything inside. Running at, we'll start off at 34. It's about 60 pounds of air pressure from a clean air dryer. So let's see what happens. That is a very nice cut. All right. So it's 2 pieces. Clamp them down so that I have enough time. Make sure it's got a good ground on it. Increase the air pressure a little bit. Going up to 50 amps. Got through about the first little bit. We'll go up to 60 again. I had to slow way down. I was going really slow there to get through. So we can give it an even better ground, and maybe that'll help it. ground right on it. Top plate cut cleanly. This is effectively a ½ inch. Now, that's going pretty slow, you'll have to admit. If that was a machine, I'm not really sure. Can you all see this? This is the back side of the second plate. Hot, 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 hot. Oh, wasn't it hot the first time I picked it up, huh? I was sitting there with picking it up for 5 minutes. Okay guys, we're going to recreate the test trying to cut through 3/4 of an inch with the prime weld cut 60 plasma torch. The torch wouldn't cut through ½ inch before with the consumables, and I ordered new consumables from George's Plasma. He sent 60, 40, and 50 amp tips with a new drag tip guard for it, and these are 3/4 inch plates that I'm going to see if we can step through and cut, see if it'll go on up and cut 3/4 of an inch. Let's see. The first plate is 1/4 inch, then that would be 2 of them for half, and then that's 3/4 of an inch. Quarter inch cut clean through. Be ½ inch. ½ inch. Cut very nice. Before it wouldn't do it with the tip. Now let's go for the gold. 3/4 of an inch. I'll be damned. It was the tips all along.
It was the air pressure coming out of the tip. That's what it was. Well, it's a lot louder now than it was with the tip.
Yep. You guys see that? That's the cut 60. That's the head from George's Plasma. And we were at 60 amps and 80 pounds of air pressure. The only thing I don't like about this machine is this ground clamp. Looks like something my grandmother would have designed.
Always replace it.
I can replace that. And it looks like you really need to call George's Plasma or go on his eBay site and get his kit for this thing. Cut 60 torch. Comes with a new part from here to here. Can't see that.
New everything.
Comes with this part here. 2 40s. 2 60s. 2 50s and 4 of the little silver doomajiggers. All right, I'm happy. Now I can do something. Now we're going to cut out this circle. My homemade circle cutter. 3/16 plate. And all that's left to do is do it. All right, that's better. Let's give it a shot. All right.
Your hose is going to get rust on the back of that thing. Cutting good.
I think so.
You got a ball bearing in the middle.
That's rough edges over there. Oh, shoot, that's hot. Hot. But there is no rough edges. Huh. Let's see. Cut right through there. I think we better move it over before it falls on the floor.
Looks like it's cutting good, though.
Yeah, I'm not making it go smoothly.
It's going to weld it anyway, right?
Oh yeah.
On this close.
Well, as perfectionists, we like it to be, good.
Perfect. You're just going to space this up on there? You're just going to space this up on there?